Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it's Tuesday, December 22nd, and I'm starting up the day. I'll show you the missions that I think I'm going to try to get done. I was going to meet Ron here early, but he had to go do a job somewhere else. So let me show you what we got going on for today. I'm hoping to put the drone up just for a quick midstream look. So here's the trailer he left for me. And he told me I could dump either wood or metal on here, because then he would dump it and sort it. But I don't want to do that to him since he's got mostly metal. So I'll start with just metal stuff. Let me show you a couple of missions I want to try to get done. Like that minivan in there, I want to try and get that cleaned out and pulled out. So I got to clear a bunch of the trees in here. I want to pull out that riding mower out of the chicken coop over here and pull off the rest of the metal that's buried in there. You can see there's a lot of tin buried. So I'll yank the tin, try to crunch it up or flatten it the best I can and put it on his trailer. I may end up moving his trailer over here, but down in there is a riding mower. I'm going to try and yank that out and salvage that because they might want to fix that up. So that's the mission for today. We'll see how far we get, but it's a beautiful day, mid-50s and sunny, so let's see what we can get done. All right, there's a little better look of that mower. Let's start cleaning off this junk and get that yanked out. Plan B, instead of trying to lift it, I'm going to just clean up behind it and just try to drag it out there. There's kind of a dirt hump there, but I'm not too worried about that. There we go. Not sure I'm going to have the slew power, but I'm going to try it. Slew is when you turn the whole cab sideways. Alright, let's see what happens. are going to start on this side. I'll pick the metal out, push everything in a little farther. So here's the chicken coop. Oh darn, I missed some tin up there. I gotta sneak back in there. But this whole pile over here is half wood and half dumpster material. All right, and we got Ron a pretty good load of metal here. He's gonna dump this trailer. He's got a boom truck, so I like the way he improvises, so he can just dump this and pretty much slide all this off.